Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for dividend discounting if you are a member of Stima Sacco. Now, ideally, each and every year, if you are a member, you will receive dividends on your shares, but you can apply and get the discounting of this dividend even before the financial year. So I will show you how you can apply for your dividend discounting and receive the amount in your Prime account or even withdraw to your M-Pesa. Before I proceed, I will kindly ask you to support this channel by subscribing and also hitting the like button. All right, you can apply for your dividend discounting using three methods. One, you can go directly to your nearest Stima Sacco branch and then make the application. Alternatively, you can use the Stima mobile app and make your application. But another way is you can use the Msasa Internet Banking platform to make this application. So for this case, I'm going to use the Msasa platform. This is the internet banking. You can easily log into your internet banking by going to Stima Sacco account. And when you go to your Stima Sacco account, choose the internet banking option. So if you are a member, you will log in directly by entering your password and your member number. But if you are yet to register, you will be asked to enter your details, including your member number and other details such as your phone number. And from here, you'll be able to log in and get to a platform such as this. Now, to be able to apply for your dividend discounting, just go to loans, and from loans, click on loan requests. And from here now, you'll see dividend discounting option that is already active on your platform. Go ahead and click on dividend discounting. Select the account that will receive the amount. Now, in this case, you will select Prime account. Once you have done that, you will see the eligible amount that you can receive as dividend discounting. So for my case, you can see there is some money here that I qualify. Enter the amount, either exact or less the amount that you are eligible. For instance, let me say maybe I want 5,000, and then from here you click on submit. So when you click on submit, you will be sent an OTP that you have to enter and then make the final submission. This OTP will be sent direct to your phone and then proceed. So I don't want to make the request, and therefore I'll cancel this request for my case. Once you have done that, it should take just some few seconds or in less than a minute, you'll receive the amount on your Prime account. And when you go check your Prime account balance, you will find the amount. Now, once the amount has been received on your Prime account, you can go ahead and withdraw either using your mobile USSD code star 489 or star 292, I believe, and then the amount will be transferred to your account. You can as well do this. You can transfer the amount using the Stima mobile app, and then you will receive the amount on your M-Pesa wallet. You can also just decide and visit your nearest Stima Sacco branch to make the withdrawal. By following these few steps, you will be able to withdraw or to request for your dividend discounting at any time before the end of financial year. And ideally, Stima Sacco announces the dividend discounting is usually available to all the members towards the end of the month of August each year. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.